Hello children.
Hello, sir.
On the blackboard, you are observing information regarding what? Soil conservation. Today's topic is soil conservation. Page number 163. Page number 163, unit 10. Unit 10. That is soil pollution. Listen. So we have natural resources. Girls, we have natural resources. Forest is a natural resource. And air is a natural resource. And soil is a natural resources. And animals also resources. Plants also resources. Water is a resource. Air is a resource. And these are called natural resources. So give some example for resources, natural resources. Air, water, soil. Boys, don't write. I am telling natural resources. Give example for natural resources. You please come. Your name? Nashra. Say bigger. I am asking. Say, tell me or list out natural resources. Air, water, soil. They are called natural resources. Air, water, and soil. They are called what? Natural resources. Why? Because they are present in nature. They are present in nature. So we are not paying money to breathe air. Air is there here. And air consists of oxygen. And we are breathing air with not paying amount or money. It is available freely. That is the reason we should not disturb. We should not pollute the air. So around the Chotupal, there are many industries are there. And they are releasing what? Waste gases into the atmosphere, into the air. And thereby air become what? Polluted. Suppose if you breathe that air, we are getting what? Diseases. So here, these industrialists, they should not release what? These waste into the air. If they release the air, waste into the air, what will happen? Air is damaged. And we are not getting what? Sufficient amount of oxygen. And air is polluted. We should not pollute the air. And next, water. Water is also an important resources. So we are drinking water. Every day we are drinking 5 to 6 glass of water or 1 or 2 liters of water. Without drinking water, we cannot live. We cannot survive. And our body metabolic activities not work properly. So that is the reason your teachers and as your elders, your mother and father, they are telling you that drink more water. If you drink more water, your body becomes what? Clean. And you will get what? Healthy body. So drink more water. And next, again at the same time, we should not spoil the water. We should not pollute the water. It is also an important natural resource. Today I am telling what? Soil. There you see ground. So we have school ground, big school ground. And most of you are having what? Farmlands. Most of you are having what? Farmlands. 1 acre, 2 acre, 3 acres of land your father is owning. Your father is having. And that farmland consists of what? Soil. And we should use the soil. We should conserve the soil. And we should not pollute the soil. So our town is Chotupal. And municipality people, they are gathering garbage, waste materials. And these waste materials should not discard in the what? Farmland. Suppose if they discard the farmland, what will happen? Soil is polluted. And sewage water is not sent into the farmland. What will happen if they enter and this soil also become what? Poisonous. And many soil organisms they are killed. And today I am telling you what are the steps to prevent soil pollution. First one. So here soil is an important natural resource. It is an important natural resource. Without soil we cannot survive. Without soil, plants they cannot survive. So soil is giving what? nutrients to the plant. Sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, like that many minerals are there in soil, and these minerals are absorbed by the plant. In this way plants are growing, and plants are giving what? Fruits, and plants are giving what? Crop, grain, and that grain we are eating, we are getting energy. So here, that is the reason soil is an important natural resources. And what are the steps we need to follow not to spoil the soil? How to prevent the soil? Number one, growing many plants. So our school ground is big ground, and in the rainy season you planted many plants, and you saw many plants, and these plants they grow well. So if you grow many plants and they produce what? Roots, and these roots they hold the what? Soil, and finally they prevent soil erosion. So we need to conserve the soil by planting many plants. By planting many plants, that is planting trees, planting saplings. And next one, we need to follow all these methods. What are they? Terracing method, farming. And next one, crop rotation. Crop rotation. So here we should not grow a single crop in a single piece of land. Suppose you are having 1 acre of land, and your father should not grow same rice crop the rainy season and summer season and winter season. And here your father need to rotate, grow different types of crop in different season. One season rice, another season cotton, another season what? Tobacco, another season pea plant. Like that your father need to grow different types of crop in a single piece of land. That is a crop rotation. And next one, counter cropping. It also help not to that is damage the soil. Counter cropping is generally we observed in case of hill area. Next, watering the plant, watering the soil. Suppose if you water the soil and soil become what? Loose, and soil become what? Will become wet, and finally it also make the plant to grow. We need to water the soil. And next one, soil organism. In soil, if you dig soil, inside the soil what are present? Earthworms are present. In Telugu they are called Vanapamulu. And many organisms they live in the soil, and they live happily, and they make burrows. They live in the soil. And in a crop, many earthworms are present. In the soil, many earthworms are present, and earthworms make the soil loose, and they make the soil fertile, and they make what? Burrows, and thereby air enter the soil, and soil become what? Enriched with what? What? Enriched with different types of minerals. Aeration takes place. That is the reason earthworms are called as friends to farmers. Earthworms are called as friends to farmer. Why? Because they are making burrows and making the soil what? Fertile by producing what? Their feces, and their feces are having what? Organic substances, sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, like that. In this way, we can prevent the soil. What? We can conserve the soil. So all these steps we need to follow. Conservation of soil. Okay. Today what topic we discuss? Soil conservation. Boys, today what topic we discuss? Soil conservation. Say me some of. Tell me what are the natural resources? Air, water, soil. Say the important natural resources once again. Water, air, soil. They are called natural resources. We should not spoil we should not pollute the natural resources. We need to what? Conserve the natural resources. Okay, what are the steps we need to follow to conserve soil? Soil, you please come read. Remove our mask. Read the steps.
Plant trees.
Planting trees in the soil.
Crop rotation.
Crop rotation, growing up different crops in a single piece of land.
Watering soil.
Watering the soil, it also helpful to conserve soil.
Soil organisms.
Soil organism, we should not disturb the soil, we should not pollute the soil. If you pollute the soil, organisms die. So earthworms they die, and finally the soil become what? Infertile. So that is the reason we should not pollute the soil. On all these steps we need to follow to conserve what? To conserve what? Soil. That is today's topic. Unit 10 or 11?
10.
Unit 10. Unit 10,
Soil.
soil pollution. Page number 123. Okay, thank you children.